Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your amazing response, awesome feedback, and valuable comments. Over the next few minutes in this video, I want to show you exactly what kind of jobs are opening up, what skills companies expect, and how can you prepare yourself for the opportunities that are newly growing, especially in the area of AI data centers. This is the one of the most biggest opportunity that is going to get created. And you might have read that Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta are investing thousands of crores to build new data centers in India, especially in Visakhapatnam. That is the new job market that is going to open. Especially, there will be lots of demand for data center engineers, network specialists, hardware technicians, facility and operations teams, and also AI infrastructure engineers. I want to mainly focus on the 10 data certifications, which are very hard to find. I'm telling you, this is the only video where I'm going to tell about those 10 AI data center certifications that you can do and get the job in these data centers at the earliest. So today I'm going to tell you one of the biggest technology stories unfolding right now in India. A story that has the power to transform the future of Andhra Pradesh and, more importantly, your career. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has partnered with SIFI Technologies to build a massive AI data center in Visakhapatnam with an investment of over 15,000 crore rupees. At the same time, you all know that Google is also developing a large data center in Vizag. So these are not ordinary projects. These are multi-billion-dollar infrastructures that will generate thousands of high-skilled jobs, attract global companies into the region, and position Andhra Pradesh as one of the most, I can say, Asia's most important AI and digital hubs. In this video, I'm going to break down that what these projects actually mean, why Andhra Pradesh is suddenly becoming a global data hub, and what kind of jobs that will boom, that will create for you, and how can you prepare yourself with the right certifications. That is very important. In this video, I will speaking about the certifications, not only for these data centers, internationally, any data center you take, these certifications are high paying certifications. Future proof career is, you can take it granted if you do these certifications. So let's dive in. Meta's investment is enormous. They are leasing a 500 megawatt AI hyperscale facility built by SIFI Technologies at Pardesipalam, around 25 kilometers from Visakhapatnam. This is the news we read. This is Meta's first major data center lease in India, and it clearly shows the company's confidence in India's digital future. So this facility will power Meta's next generation of AI systems. So everything from recommendation algorithms to generative AI models and even future AR and VR environments. Even more significant is that Meta is landing its new subsea cable, Waterworth, directly in Vizag. This connects India with US, Brazil, and South Africa, making Andhra Pradesh a major gateway of the global internet backbone. So all of this aligns perfectly with the AP government's vision of creating 6 gigawatts of data center capacity, a vision that is already attracting global attention. Meanwhile, you know that I already made a video on Google data center, which was really getting awesome response. Now also it's doing well. So they are also building their own data center in Vizag. So with both Meta and Google establishing major infrastructures in the same region, Visakhapatnam is evolving into India's new AI capital. For the first time, the East Coast is becoming a strategic location for cloud computing, global connectivity, and AI workloads. Now let us talk about the part which is very essential for students and job seekers, That is what is needed from this video, the jobs. So data centers, not only in Visakhapatnam, they are growing very hugely across the world and also in India. They are the biggest job creators in the world as of now. A single 500 megawatt hyperscale facility requires an army of skilled professionals. They can be network engineers, server technicians, cloud operators, cybersecurity analysts, mechanical and electrical engineers, HVAC specialists, operation managers, and hundreds of support roles. So freshers can start with salaries ranging from 3 to 7 lakhs per year. And within 2 to 5 years, these salaries can grow into 8 to 20 lakh range. Senior engineers, cloud architects, and data center experts often cross packages of 25 lakhs or more, especially when working with companies like Google, Meta, AWS, Microsoft, NTT, Yotta, CTRLS, and Adani Connex. So the demand is massive and growing. So you have to prepare now yourself. Preparing now means entering a career that will stay relevant for decades. That is what I'm trying to tell to you. So at this stage, it becomes important to understand why certifications matter. Right? So the world of IT evolves constantly. Technology change, systems upgrade, and companies expect professionals to be up to date and be capable of handling modern infrastructure. That is what is the expectation of the companies. So certifications will help you stay competitive, prove your skills, better roles will be always there for you. If you are already working in some job and want to shift to this AI data center roles, then also these certifications will help you. And that will give you solid foundation to grow. Right? So there are many options for choosing a data certification course, but I found that no YouTube video is exposing this or any kind of article is giving you these details. I have done a lot of survey and found out some of the rare certifications which will help you for entry level professionals, for also experienced guys. These certifications will really help. So the area of focus also vary. Some specialize in networking, as I already told, some others in cooling, power systems, infrastructure design, cloud operations, or full scale data center management. Before choosing one, it's useful to review yourself, your personal and professional goals. That is very important. And you have to understand which path aligns with your future plans. Let us say you are doing A BTech. You have to choose the path in that direction. Let us say you are doing mechanical. You have to choose the path in the mechanical direction. Similarly for EEE, ECE, and other branches. Right? So I'm going to tell you 10 most relevant certifications in the data center world in a simple way. So one of the most popular starting point is Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA. So it is the go-to certification for beginners stepping into networking and data center operations. This certification is known to all. I can assure most of you know that. So it will cover network fundamentals, IP services, security basics, automation, and programmability. So this certification stays valid for 3 years and can be renewed through an exam or continuing education. For example, I have done 20 certifications in Microsoft. I'm renewing it every year. If I don't renew, I will lose it. That is the way. So once you move beyond the basics, professionals with 3 to 5 years of experience, they have to pursue the Cisco Certified Network Professional in Data Center. This is also known as CCNP Data Center. This certification goes into deeper pointers like design, architecture, and troubleshooting. And this is ideal for engineers who want to grow into more complex roles. Let us say you want to go for a top role. Cisco gives you another certification called as CCIE Data Center. This is the most prestigious and challenging certification in the world. It requires a qualifying examination and an 8-hour lab, practical lab. And it signals mastery of the network life cycle from installation to optimization. If you want a simpler, beginner-friendly option, there is a certification called as Data Center Certified Associate, DCCA. You can write everywhere. Even I will provide you those links as well. So this is an excellent starting point for anyone wanting to understand how data centers are built. They are powered and managed. The thing is that if you want to be from the beginning of the data center, you do this certification, because you may think that, okay, these data centers may come after 3 years or 4 years, may not come. It's not like that. They will come because they are all published things in the newspapers. So if you want to be from the beginning, you do this certification, because here you are building, powering and managing the data center. So they may require you from beginning. And this certification has no prerequisites. You only need to clear one exam. Another important certification is Data Center Design Consultant, DCDC. This is offered by BICSI. And this program is great for professionals with at least 2 years of experience. And that helps you understand mechanical and electrical design principles and how modern data centers are constructed for efficiency. There is another certification, right, which is nothing but BICSI. This is the one which is offering the RCDD, or Registered Communications Distribution Designer. This certification focuses on telecom infrastructure and structured cabling. This is highly valued for professionals who design and manage communication systems inside data centers. If you are aiming for management role, so CNET offers the Certified Data Center Management Professional, or CDCMP. This is an intensive program that covers overall data center planning, strategy, auditing, operations, and business alignment. So this level of knowledge is also needed from the beginning. So many mid-level managers take this to strengthen their leadership qualities and operational skills. So if your work involves Jupyter equipment, then I say JNCIP-DC certification from Juniper Networks. Once again, I am repeating, if your work involves Juniper equipment, there is a certification called as JNCIP-DC. This is the ideal choice. It helps professionals becoming proficient with the Junos operating system and the other Juniper technologies widely used in large enterprises and telecom networks. If you want a strong foundational understanding of mission critical systems, the International Data Center Authority offers the Data Center Infrastructure Specialist, or DCIS. It is the first level of global certification path that includes advanced roles like Data Center Operations Specialist, Data Center Infrastructure Expert, Data Center Operations Manager, eventually leading to top tier credentials like Data Center Manager. So Data Center Expert and Data Center Authority also. Finally, the professionals involved in uptime, reliability, and tire certification standards. The Uptime Institute's Accredited Tire Specialist, or ATS, is one of the most respected global qualifications. So it is helping professionals to understand redundancy, capacity planning, operational continuity, and infrastructure performance. So the best part is that you don't need all these certifications. Everyone can change your career direction significantly. So beginners often start with CCNA combined with either DCCA or DCIS. You can refer to the earlier part of my discussion. More experienced professionals aim for CCNP paired with DCDC or a tire certification for stronger profiles. Now, again, coming back to why Andhra Pradesh is becoming a major global hotspot for data centers. The state has direct access to subsea cable landing points, competitive electricity costs, coastal environment that reduces coding expenses, and a government that actively supports innovation infrastructure development. So its strategic position between Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore creates a powerful connectivity triangle. So with Meta's 15,266 crore investment, Google's facility at the state's 6 gigabit vision, Andhra Pradesh is stepping into the global spotlight. So how can you prepare for your revolution? That means you want to transform, no, with this revolution happening. So start by learning networking, basic Linux, build a small virtual lab, choose one entry level certification, create a clean one page resume, add your projects to GitHub, apply to companies like CFI, Yota, NTT, CETRLS, Adani Connex, Reliance, Google Cloud Partners, stay active on LinkedIn, attend job fairs, stay curious and be consistent. This industry will definitely reward people who take initiative from your own side. Finally, remember this: technology will keep changing, but your willingness to learn always be your biggest advantage. So Andhra Pradesh is entering new era, and these investments are laying the foundation for the next generation of digital growth. If you prepare today, you can build a high-paying, stable, and future-proof career in one of the fastest growing industries in the world. So if you found this video valuable, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs this information, comment your own pointers in the comment section, and subscribe me for more technology and career focused content. So definitely all the best for your job and also for your career. Wish you all the best. Stay always curious and happy learning. Thank you so much.